Hello everyone, welcome to the yet another video of TechWheel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export in Premiere Pro. Exporting in Premiere Pro is super easy. So let's get back to the screen. See, exporting in Premiere Pro is super duper easy. It's very simple. It's as it is cook. It is as it is making a cup of tea. So let me share the screen first. Here is the exporting Premiere Pro and here start to record. So suppose this is the project that you want to export. So see, if you want to just export from the starting of this timeline to the end of this timeline, that is here, the step is very simple. You have to press O on the keyboard with shortcut for mark out, and when you just simply press O in this at the end of this timeline, it will just mark in and mark out. The marking point will be the very starting, and the mark out will be this wherever your cursor is, where this timeline is. So I have pressed O. So if your keyboard shortcut is if O, after pressing O this markout is not visible, then there might be problem in your keyboard shortcut. So if anytime you want to change in keyboard shortcut, so let me tell you that also. Okay, I will tell you that in the latest, but for now I want to export till this point. Let me show you if you don't have this. So suppose your keyboard shortcut is not working, then you can simply drag this timeline to this point and just simply right click on the mouse, and see here you are getting a option called markout. So when you click on markout, this is the timeline that is selected, and this will be rendered. So let's quickly come, and the rest of your footage and the timeline will not be exported. So whatever will be inside this markout, see the highlighter, only the clip that is highlighted will be exported. So after marking this point as markout, let's come to the export. So if you want to come to the export part, just click Ctrl plus M, and this is the shortcut for exporting the video. So this is the file name that you want to save. Suppose I want to rename this as final render 01. So, and this is the file location that you want to, and you have to choose the file location wherever you want to make. So suppose I am making this in this export. Suppose I am choosing this folder, and this is save, and this will be saved to that location. Preset, you can choose any of the options according to your choice, but I prefer doing I don't do much in this part. I just H2.64 is the format that I always do, and I just click on this match source, and see, if you preset anything like match source adaptive high bitrate, then suppose what I do is I just click on the match source, and this will be adjusted according to the quality of your video and I make sure to click on this render at maximum depth, This will render at the maximum depth that it can render and use maximum render quality. So when you click on this match source here, custom will automatically comes. Here custom automatically comes. So uh, click on these two check boxes. I'm just saying what I do, and it gives me a better output. And you can choose bitrate here. I prefer doing 20. I prefer I in my videos I do 20 to 25. I keep it in between, so let me keep it 25. And if your video is VR, then you can click here. But remember one thing, when you click on this video is VR, the video is gets enlarged. It will look like it's very zoomed, and you will not be able to see clearly anything because the video is enlarged. So make sure to sometimes what happens by mistake, people often I used to click many times here by mistake, but after entering the video gets enlarged. So I kind of researched many time here and there, but after looking here and there, I came to know that this is the video is getting enlarged due to the video is because this checkbox is being clicked. So uh, don't check this checkbox if your video is not in VR. Means if you don't want to see in VR. So audio I keep it keep it in 448, and range will be source in and out, source in and source out. Remember we have marked in marked out, marked in by we have marked out. This will render only that part. If you entire source, then entire source will be rendered till your video footage is present, and it will take more time and size will also be increased. So keep it why to export that part which is not going to be uploaded anywhere. So source in and source out, make sure to this is the range, and just click simply export, and here your video is getting exported. After some time your video will be exported, and you will find that video in the chosen path location, and it's very simple. Thank you for coming to this TechWheel channel, and I hope you guys have liked and shared this video, because if you want to get some this small knowledge in Premiere Pro or any tech related stuff, you can check out my videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, because this making videos is not easy, so it needs motivation. So don't forget to subscribe. It gives me intense pleasure to make more such useful videos. I will also share some more important where people make mistake while exporting, and many other things. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.